Hello, welcome to Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. Today we're going to do a quick video on replacing the filter on these Basecamp dust masks. So as you can see, I've been using this mask for a while. It's pretty dirty. So I want to show you guys how easy it is to remove. So first thing is you're going to do this counterclockwise. It has an open and an arrow. You can go that way. Pop these vents off. You're going to have this little flapper here that helps with preventing the dust coming in. Alright. So you twist that one off. Same on this side. Alright. And here's the old filter. Pretty dirty. Trash it. And now you could go ahead and you can hand wash this mesh part here and have it air dry. So I'm going to go ahead real quick and clean this off. Then I'm going to come back, clean these little flappers and vents off, and then put in the new filter. It's active carbon filters. They claim 99% bacterial filtration efficiency and 6 layers. So we'll get that right on, and I'll be right back after this is all cleaned. Okay, we're back. Everything is clean and dry. So here's the new filter. So you're going to do is put that inside here. Line it up with the holes. Then you want to take one of these exhalation valves and make sure the ridge of this flapper is pointing out. I don't know if you can see that. A little ridge on it. So this is going to be facing towards you. So you're going to put this cap, well, this is the twisty part of it. So you want to put that in through the holes of the filter and the mesh mask. So here's the filter. Get that through there. Alright. Now poke that through the mesh mask. Just like that. And you're going to put in the flapper. Make sure it's sealed on there. Then you want to put in your vent like that, and then you're going to do clockwise to lock it in, just like that. Alright, so we're into the arrow going this way, so it's clockwise, and it is now closed. So if you want to adjust it and have the vents pointing down more straighter, you can turn it and do that. So let's get that other vent in. Go through the filter and the mesh, just like that. Make sure the ridge is facing you. Have it laying flat. And pop that vent on top. And then you twist it closed. Alright, and that's it. And so now you have a fresh new filtered dust mask. Alright, we're ready to go. Let's get the carving. Alright, and I'll catch you later.